I'm from the bottom of the mess, so you know just how I'm coming. Watch your beef. Chick-fil-A don't serve cow meat, you niggas.
I just put up to the location where supposedly I'm gonna meet up Chris, the guy who's gonna fix my wheels. And he said he'll be here. He said he was like 16 minutes away when I had left where I was at. And that was 3:24. I mean, he should be pulling up here soon. I'm gonna get like a little cinematic here while I wait on him, kill some time. And then we'll get to fixing the wheels, cause I gotta get these fixed. I gotta get them fixed, man, so I can head home. Tired, been working. But yeah, while I wait on him, we'll get a cinematic done and show you the wheels, the before and after. So stay tuned.
Okay, Trey, I got this.
I mean, it's not that bad, you know what I'm saying? It's fixable, but shit. That's one of them. But guys, there goes my boy Chris. He finally pulling up. Like I was saying earlier, he's mobile. Excuse the wind. I mean, there's nothing I can do about that, but excuse the wind. Hey, man.
I love the exhaust tips on that thing.
Huh?
I love the exhaust tips on that.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, you doing all right?
Yeah, how about you?
Oh my God.
Busy, huh?
Dude.
Yes, I understand, man.
Yeah, it's been a crazy one. I didn't even get to the other guy that's supposed to be first thing this morning.
For real?
Yeah.
Nah, I understand, man. I was just...
Yeah. But anyways, yeah, man. So, which one?
These two are the ones I'm really bad. These two.
Okay.
See?
Did you get into that?
And then the front one needs to be fixed also.
Okay.
Well, I mean, all of them going to get fixed, but these like the only two bad ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
This one has curb rash on it. Also, just it ain't much though. See?
Yeah.
And then this one I was telling you about that the paint was kind of like fading away.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. No worries. Oh, that's cool. That is cool. All right, man. Yeah, you don't need a lock and lug though with this, right? No lock and lug with it?
Okay, Trey, I got this.
This is gonna take you to fix them.
Not sure yet. Probably about 45 minutes on these, and hopefully less than about 30 minutes on the other side.
Okay. I'm not rushing anything. I was just wondering.
Oh, no worries.
Okay, Trey, I got this.
This is the last set of wheels you're doing today?
What's up?
This is the last set of wheels you're doing today?
No, I got two more stops.
For real?
Yeah, I've got one here, and then I got one in North Little Rock.
Wow.
I'm done.
On a Friday. I say you busy on a Friday.
Yeah.
What time do you usually get off?
Just when it's done. I mean, I'm working at 8 o'clock at night, you know.
Really?
Until it's done. You know?
You gotta get it while you can.
Yeah.
But you love it though.
I love it.
Yeah, that's all that matters.
Alright.
Okay, Trey, I got this.
Got one wheel done. What y'all think? Looks like new, huh? I mean, right here was where the cover rash was at. I mean, it's not there no more. I mean, so guys, we got one wheel done. He's working on the next one. But I like how it came out. I mean, it looks like new, bro. I mean, see? No effects, I mean, no details, no nothing that would like make it seem like it was fixed, you know? That's what I liked about it. I mean, that's why I come to this guy all the time, man. I come to him like, this is probably like my third time with this set. I already visited him, man. I need to learn how to drive. But anyways, man, I loved how it came out. I'm still gonna get home, polish them up a little bit. That'll be on the next vlog, how I keep them clean and stuff. But I'm gonna wait on him, get the next wheel done. See y'all.
Okay, Trey, I got this.
About $100 cash.
$100 for all?
Yeah,
all right.
25 for wheels. And then you got my number, man.
Yeah, I got you.
Thumbs up, let me know. I gotta run in here really close.
All right.
But if you want to sit tight, that's fine. I'm gonna be right back with the car, hopefully.
You said what?
So you can sit right here, that's fine. I'm gonna be right back with the car anyway here in about like 2 minutes.
Oh, okay. All right. All right, thank you. Well, guys, we just got done. I mean, he threw me a hell of a deal. Huge thanks for him coming through. He just in a rush right now. $100 to fix all four. I mean, these two on the passenger side were the worst ones, and I got those fixed. And they look as new. I'm gonna show them to you in a few minutes. And the ones on the driver's side weren't messed up, but they had little details. And he said, you know what, since I made you wait, not wet, but since I made you wait, I'm gonna go ahead and fix them up for you. So I said, okay, bet. So right now, I'm just gonna wait on the tires to dry up a little bit because they did get painted. And then from there, I'm gonna head home, but I'm gonna show you the finished product. And this is the passenger side. Look at that. Damn. Looks good as new, huh? Shout out to my boy Chris. I hit him up. I just hit him up, man. He works for this company called Alloy's Wheel Repair. And here goes the phone number and stuff. Right here. Well, guys, I think it's about time for me to head home. I love how my wheels came out, I'm not gonna lie. Ready to stunt. Nah, I'm just playing on stunt, bro. I don't like showing off for nothing. But I like how my was came out. Right now I'm about to go grab me something to eat because I haven't eaten nothing all day. And I'm finna get hit. Oh, snap. Homeboy looking at me weird. What the fuck are you? But anyways, y'all. Huge shout out to my boy Chris for coming through. Y'all hit him up. And well guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that dislike button if you didn't like it, or hit that like button if you liked it. But if there's something I could done better or something, let me know. Comment down below, or comment down below what kind of video you would like to see. But that's enough of the talking. Catch y'all on the next one.